Number 18. What happens in the heart when blood flows from the atria to ventricles? So when we look at the heart, we just look at the right side of the heart here. So the blood comes into the heart through a blood vessel called vena cava or vena cava. And then the blood enters the space called atrium. And then the blood goes into the ventricle. And then the blood goes out of the heart. So it's asking what happens in the heart when blood flows from the atria or atrium to the ventricle. So atrium muscle, of course, has to contract. So it pushes the blood into the ventricle, yes. So contract is the answer for this question. So the answer should be either A or B. And there's a valve called atrioventricular valve here. So this is the valve between the atrium and the ventricle, hence the name atrioventricular valve. When the blood goes to the ventricle, the valve has to open. So B looks like the answer here. And what happens to the ventricle muscles? It shouldn't contract, otherwise it's going to push the blood. So it has to relax. So in order to receive the blood from the atrium or atria, hence the answer should be B. The difference between the atria and the atrium is that the atria is the plural. Okay, so don't get confused about this one. Okay, thanks guys.